Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys what does Snapchat quick add really means. So before I tell you what Snapchat quick add really means, be sure to watch this video until the end, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can quick add somebody on Snapchat, or like what does quick add means. You might not understand it. So yeah, before I tell you, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. Without any further ado, let's start the video. Now Snapchat quick add is basically this: like you go on chat where you normally chat with your friends, you can click on this button over here. Once you click on this button, as you guys can see, you can see the quick add section over here. So basically what this quick add section means is like basically like those people you see on Facebook where it says people you may know, and like those people have mutual friends. So basically the people shown over here are mutual friends with some of your friends. Like it's not gonna say like the person is mutual friend with that person. It's just gonna show you the person who's mutually added with one of your person who is your friend or who's in your phone's contact. So as you guys can see, it says in my contact over here, so that means his phone number or her phone number is in my phone, and she opened the Snapchat account using that phone number, so it says in my contact. And then over here it says recently joined, and all these people are mutual friend with one of my people. So that's basically what quick add means. It's like recommending you people like you may know on Snapchat through different means, like through contact number or through your friends. So that's basically what quick add is. It's basically like recommendation of Snapchat to show you guys that do you know this person or not. If you know, then you can add them as well by clicking on this add button. So that's basically it. And if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask that question in the comment. We'll answer you guys as well. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in a bit.